collective. So it's gonna be so many parts because my phone kept cutting off because, again, I state they been listening in on the calls and things of that nature. So it's kind of like they done hacked into my phone so bad to where like it's all jacked up. And when I'm out or whatever doing my little errands and stuff, I'll be recording on this phone. So they did a number, but they did so much to where it don't bother me no more. Like, I healed from it and got it up out of my system. I'm still working like the little bit last bit out, like, but I can tell like the things that they're trying to do isn't working anymore because I know what they're doing. That God just telling me to look over them. They want to know my movements, want to know what all I'm doing, so they can try to then stop it there too. But like, that's sickening. Like, whoever this is that did this got a real mental problem. Like it's something really wrong with them. And I don't know what to say about this person. Like, it could possibly like drive this person to like really be on hard drugs or drinking, or really mess this person up. This is all, and it was all stemming from jealousy from all of these people, which is sickening. Like, if you can't hold your emotions and your jealousy or your hate for another person, then that tells a lot about you. When you can't even keep a level of self-worth, well-being to do about self, to where you not bothered so much about another human being to the point to where you do create all of this chaos magic, all types of strongholds, stumbling blocks, roadblocks,